The reports on NSO alleged exploit of a security breach on WhatsApp have not been verified yet by Amnesty International. But if true, they fully exemplify our claim to the Israeli court that the Ministry of Defense must revoke the export license of NSO group that has gone completely out of hand. So these softwares that NSO is marketing as tools to prevent terror and crime are used against human rights defenders and lawyers and doctors and members of parliament. We are not criminals and we are not terrorists. And when the Ministry of Defense in Israel allows this to happen, it endangers millions of people around the world.